Have you ever sat down to create an animated character but felt completely stuck, wasting hours trying to get it just right? You're not alone, and it's frustrating when you know there's a quicker way. Today, I'll share my top tips for using a few different AI apps to create amazing animated characters in no time. Let's get started. Alright, so first things first, we need a script for my new video. I went to ChatGPT and typed this in to create my story about animals that live in colder regions. Then it gave me this. It was okay, but I asked it to change some characters for me and update it. Then it gave me this. I also asked it for different names for characters. This is the story that I'm going to be making today. So use ChatGPT, Gemini, or some other AI tool that helps you create your story. Then you'll need to go to 11 Labs to create your narration. So once you have your script written, the next thing you need to do is turn it into an audio. Go to a site like 11 Labs. You have many voices to choose from here. To listen to any of these, just click on the triangle. Once you choose your voice, go back to text to speech and paste your script in here. Make sure you have chosen your correct voice, your record, then click Generate. Next, click Download, and then do that same process for all of your script until your whole story is done. Now, we're going to actually animate our characters, and then we'll put them in later. Here we are on a site called Adobe Express. You can use this for free, so get signed up for an account. Here, you can see that there is a big choice of all kinds of things to animate. There are people, creatures, animals, emojis, you name it. So come in here and choose the ones you want to use. Since I'm creating a short video about winter animals, I'll choose this snowman as my narrator. Let's make him bigger. For the background, I'll choose a nice green. Now I'm going to add my voice. It takes a few seconds to process. Once done, if you like this, you can download it. But for now, let's listen.
Hello there. I'm Chili the Snowman, and today, I'm going to tell you about some of my amazing animal friends.
Nice. So I'll download it. Then I'll do the same for each section of my video. Watch as I finish these. Next, I want to find a cool background for my story. So I've come to Vecteezy. You can sign up for a free or paid plan. They have vectors, photos, videos, etc. Some is free, some is paid. I'm going to look for video backgrounds. You can sort these in different ways. I'm going to use the free ones. I think I'll use this one. Click on it to go to the page. You see there's a free download. But pay attention, that attribution is required. So if you use these free ones, you do have to attribute the author with a link back to the product. Click on Share to get the link information here. I will use this video as the background for my animal story. The next step is to take all these pieces and put it all together. Now that we've got all our pieces created, we're going to go to a free video app called CapCut to put everything together. So go here and click on New Video, then grab our new background from Vecteezy and drag it here. Let's duplicate it. Now we want to drag in our characters. This is the narrator. Let's resize him and remove this green color. To do that, I'm going to scoot this over just for a second so you can see what I'm doing. Then go to Smart Tools and click on Remove Background. Choose Chroma Key, grab this little color picker and choose the green color I want to remove, and CapCut will get rid of it. Just move the slider until you no longer see that color. Now I'll add the other characters in exactly the same way. Now we've got all our characters all on the same layer. That will make it easier. And between these, let's add a transition. If you're using the free plan, you can't use the pro ones. Alright, so let's take this and add an effects on top of it. How about snow? Then stretch it out for the whole time. Let's just watch a preview. Still needs some tweaking. Once it's all completed and you're happy, come up here to export to download it. Make sure you keep it as a MP4. Then click Export. Once you've gotten this far, the next step is to actually upload it to YouTube or wherever you're going to publish it. Congratulations, you've just made an animated video.
Hello there. I'm Chili the Snowman, and today I'm going to tell you about some of my amazing animal friends who live in the snowy winter wonderland with me. First, meet Glider the snowy owl.
I have soft white feathers that help me blend into the snow, making it hard for other animals to see me. Plus, they also help me fly almost silently.
Now say hello to Benny the snowshoe bunny. Benny has extra large feet, kind of like snowshoes.
My large feet help me hop across the snow without sinking in, and my fur also changes color with the seasons to blend in with the snow or match the dirt and grass.
Each of these animals has special traits that help them survive in the cold, snowy world. Isn't that amazing? So next time you're outside in the snow, think about Glider and Benny and all the other creatures who call winter their home.
If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.